Hello students. Now dear students 11th 12th science English medium English grammar dear students, now let's see a new grammar topic in a do as directed transformation of sentences. Number 1, assertive to negative. Assertive to negative. Not. While we are transforming any sentence from assertive into negative or negative into assertive, we must keep one thing in our mind, that the meaning of the sentence must not be changed. Okay? Yes. Listen you 2 or 3 times, okay, for clearing the concept. For that we should use opposite words of the given word. Next, for making negative according to sentence, we should use do not, does not, did not plus opposite word. Yes, let's see. Also, we should use some grammar functions like only, none but, as soon as. So, no sooner, do does present tense, did past tense, or than, than. No sooner, as soon as, no sooner. Degree, comparison, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now you have to remember tense, present perfect tense. Now to, so that. If, unless, condition. If, unless. All, none. Always, never. Everybody, nobody. Before, until. Till, until. So these are some of the least of the words that you have to remember while changing the sentence, okay, in a transformation assertive to negative, negative to assertive, dear students. Let's see next. Yes, change assertive into negative sentence. See, only she is responsible for my failure in life. Only. Now change into negative. None but she. Only निकल गया. None but she is responsible for my failure in life. ओके, इस तरह से करना है, देखना है, अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस आएंगे डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ध्यान में रखना है आपको. ओके, मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. यस. एज सुन एज ही अराइव्ड ही वेंट टू बेड. नाउ चेंज इनटू नेगेटिव. एज सुन एज गया. नो सूनर, ये पास्ट टेंस है. नो सूनर डीड ही अराइव वर्ब वन, देन नो सूनर के साथ देन आता है, देन ही वेंट टू बेड. पीछे का सेंटेंस वही का वही. नंबर 3, शी इज एन ऑनेस्ट लेडी. शी इज नॉट अ डिसऑनेस्ट लेडी. Negative. He always doubtful of his success. He was not sure, doubtful to sure of his success. Number 5, he is more intelligent than he. You see comparative degree, more than. Now change into negative. He is not so intelligent as he. Netaji was a great freedom fighter than any other leader. Now you see than any other. Okay, comparative. Now change into positive. Don't change the meaning. No other leader was so great freedom fighter as Netaji. Okay, you have already seen comparison means degrees. Okay, look before you leap. Now don't leap before you leap. Okay. Number 8. The fort was burnt before it was surrendered. Now let's see change into negative. The fort was not surrendered before की जगह पे until. Okay. Surrendered until it was burnt. It was burnt. Okay. Now you have to keep these words in your mind. Okay. Now you see, and you have to see the meaning of the sentence first. Okay, don't change the meaning of the sentence. Meaning must be the same, but we have to change, okay, assertive into negative. Number 9. I met him in 2010. You see, change into negative. I have not met him. Now ये point of time है, यानी perfect time, यानी since ले लिया, since 2010, यानी ये हो गया present perfect tense. देख लो आप, इस तरह से दिमाग में याद आना चाहिए students. Okay. 10. He is too clever to be cheated. Now you see too. Change into negative. He is so clever that he cannot be cheated. You have already seen remove to. Okay. And I think you have noted down in your notebook, grammar notebook, the PDF, so that you can read again and again from your notebook. So clear it all the things. Okay. Now number 11. He loves his children. Change into negative. He, ये simple present tense है. He does not hate, लोगों का hate his children. एक ऐसे भी बना सकते हो. दूसरा, he is not without love for his children. ऐसा भी आप बना सकते हो. Meaning निकलता है उसका से. Now number 12. I saw her last when I visited Rajkot. I have not seen, no, present perfect tense. I have not seen her since, ये हो गया point of time, when निकल गया, since I visited Rajkot. Change into negative. Number 13. He was more worthy of a praise than anyone else. So none else, none यानी कोई भी नहीं, none else was as worthy of praise as he was. Number 14. She accepted my offer. Change into negative. She did not refuse, opposite ले लिया, या reject my offer. Okay. Number 15. Work or perish. Change into negative. If you do not work, comma, you will perish. Yes. Number 16. Always speak the truth. Means never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Yes. We found a few students. Change into negative. We did not find many students. A few की जगह पे many. Clear? Let's see in the next video more examples for you, dear students, and note down in your grammar notebook, and keep watching all the videos of grammar. Okay. For your first exam, I will ask some of the sentences, whatever I have taught you in this last days. Okay. So in a grammar, so you must keep in mind, and again and again must watch all the videos and see the PDF and note down the PDFs in your grammar notebook for getting beautiful marks. Okay, bye, see you.